Hi all, Rishi here. Today we're going to introduce the next DeFi primitive in this series, Aave. Aave is a decentralized finance protocol that allows users to lend, borrow and earn interest on cryptocurrencies without the need for intermediaries such as banks. Aave has a number of use cases including lending and borrowing. Users can lend their cryptocurrencies on the Aave protocol and earn interest on their holdings. Conversely, users can borrow cryptocurrencies from the platform by putting up collateral in another cryptocurrency, allowing them to access liquidity without selling their assets. Yield farming is another. Aave's liquidity mining program allows users to earn additional tokens by providing liquidity to the protocol, those historically being Aave, Matic, among others. This has become a popular way for users to earn passive income on their cryptocurrency holdings. Another is arbitraging and flash loans. Arbitraging used in collateral with upfront capital and flash loans. Aave's flash loan mechanism allows users to borrow funds without using collateral, as long as the loan is repaid within the same transaction. This has enabled traders and developers to build new financial applications such as flashbots and decentralized exchanges. Another is governance. Aave is governed by its community of token holders, who can vote on proposals to change the protocol's parameters and functionality. This allows for more decentralized and democratic decision-making processes. Aave's flexibility and over-collateralized lending system allowed anyone to put up capital and have access to it without liquidating and undergoing any capital gains taxes, putting their tokens to work, just as we have seen in other episodes of this series. We will focus on this integral feature. How are interest rates calculated? Well, borrow interest rates are a function of the utilization rate, and the utilization rate is the percentage of deposits that are currently being given out by the platform. These parameters here in this table were selected to reflect the current interest rate model that Aave has decided to choose. As you can see here at the very bottom, this modeled in the diagram. And so, in Desmos, it looks like this. Along the x-axis, you see the utilization rate being plotted. This ratio is the amount being loaned out divided by the amount of liquidity available to be loaned. Sounds a little more complicated than it is, but you get a simple percentage at the end. This percentage is then fed into the formula, which outputs what the interest rates should be charged on the loans on that platform. As you can see, it aggressively rises past the optimal number, which was 90% for this USDC pool. Let's see how that's calculated properly. Here you can see the total available liquidity of 120.97 million available to borrow, that is, while only 79.4 million is actually being borrowed. We calculate this utilization rate by doing 79.4 million divided by 120 million, and that gives us the 65.64% we see here. Let's take that over to Desmos, shall we? And we can see. So let's go to 65.64. That gives us an interest rate of 2.916. See what the actual rates are. 2.91. Exactly correct. This can look a little unclear on how these numbers interact with each other in Desmos. In the next video, we will talk about how to use the tool Machinations to explore these variables and their effects on the interest rates. That's been your Crypto Atlas. See you next time. That's been your Web3 Atlas. See you next time.